Well, I'm continuing to explore Design Spark PCB and I've run into a little problem. So suppose we go to Settings, Technology Transfer. Now I've made a project here and I want to find out what technology file I'm using and how to change it to something else perhaps. So I've invoked technology files dialog box here, and it's got all the things that are supposed to be in the technology file, and it's indicating here that the name is default black, drop down list, or default white. I suppose that's for the schematic. So we'll stick with the white. Now suppose I want to change this. Just seems to be the two options, black or white. Now I can browse apparently, and I check that and I've got all these options, I'm assuming. Now I've got some single-sided PCB material which I want to use, so I want to use this single-sided PTF file, PCB technology file. So I'll select that there and open. Now then, nothing here seems to have changed. There's no indication that I have in fact changed my technology file. If I click in here to see the end of this URL, there's nothing on the end of it. I've still only got two options here, black or white. So which technology file am I using? Am I using the single-sided PCB technology file or what? So I hope somebody can tell me this. I'll just close this, and I don't know where to look to see what technology file I'm using apart from settings, technology transfer, defaults, design technology. Well, there's some information here, but it's not telling me which file I'm using, which technology file. No. I can add various things to this design technology. Delete unused. Nothing to tell me which file I'm using. So maybe someone can help me. Bye.